So here is the app called Lock Launcher. Pretty popular app. Home widgets, a lot of other widgets. So lock screen widgets. And yeah, it's a iOS 17/18 lock screen widget app. You can add anything on the lock screen and launch it instantly with just one touch. Perfectly supports various apps, websites, shortcuts, and custom URL scheme. iOS 18 control center and camera control. So there is also minimalist dumb font launcher theme and classic grid theme, control center widget, iOS 17 interactive small widgets, home screen widget with transparent background. So yeah, hot apps collection, lightning payment, and a lot of other things. So here you have it. And what this app is famous for is that you can create this really effective launch pads. So, if you're really bored with having like 10 home screens with big app icons, you can create these launch pads where literally you have a lot of these apps in here and then you can launch them super fast. So it's not like folder where you need to open the folder and tap, you just tap right away and you open the app. Then there are like all these different customization modes, a lot of things. So this is a Chinese app, but it's a bit different from all of these other widgets app. In all these widget apps, you just basically have like a widget collections, which is kind of boring. But here you have different types of widgets and different types of customizations. So here you can just open it up. So here you have a lock launcher. So you can set up like different widgets. So you can set up, all right, some and then for example, I just can save it. So this is your lock screen widgets. For example, you have it in here. Then for example, let's just instantly try to install it. So here's wallpaper, and then I try to add a so then I have lock launcher, then I have widget 1, widget 2, widget 4. I have dynamic battery, dynamic second hand, and then you just tap it, and as you can see now, I installed like a Google widget in here. So this way I just customized my lock screen widget just like that. And there are all these widget numbers. Some of them you need to upgrade, so you can only install 2 lock screen widgets for free. So you have that. And then there is an example. Then there is dynamic island. So this is really cool. So you need to have it like that. So you just launched it from this app, and then you have you can use these shortcuts. A lot of customization in here. So there is like a so now you have it in here, like either doc or memo. So memo is just like you can just write some text, and then for example, it's not refreshing, but you can just decide it like that. And okay, so maybe I just need to tap done. Basically a lot of fun in here. So and then group, transparent background, rows, lines, show on lock screen, left display. This is what you will see on the left on your dynamic island. So steps, and then you just tap preview, and then you see steps in your dynamic island, as you can see, and all of the things. But then you need to allow performance mode, which which can consume a lot of your battery. But basically I guess you can just set up or you can set up, for example, current weather, where you just see it like that, and you will instantly see it in your dynamic island. Pretty cool. Right display, I have no idea. So there's default icon, so you can set up like Wi-Fi data usage, memory usage, storage available, system uptime, current temperature. So yeah, like pretty cool. So that's like dynamic island customization. I haven't seen any other app where you can do this granular dynamic island customization. Um, and there you have it. So here you have some different things. You have like this memo. You have all of these details. Then there is like a picture in picture mode, which you can enable. So and then you can also customize it as well, and then you can just show it like this. But again, this will be shown for your lock launcher app. I don't know why people need it, but some people like it. Well, I use picture in picture when I try to watch some videos, and sometimes it's quite handy. But here you can just use it for like displaying different types of data. Sometimes you need it in bigger format than dynamic island. Then there are home widgets, where you can install a lot of these launcher boxes. For example, so let's just try it out as well. So here is, I want to install like a home screen widget, but then I want to go and try a lock launcher. And then there is launcher box. There are all these additional widgets. And then there is like launcher box. I add a widget, and as you can see, there are like two apps in it. So basically, then you need to customize your group. So you need to find it somewhere. Here it is. So it's in the first screen, where I can then just add additional app. So for example, then I will just add it like that, and then I have three apps, and then in my widget I already have three apps. And when I tap on this app, as you can see, it opens the app. So it's super fast, and you can have a lot of apps in this widget. So super convenient thing. And like features, and there is shortcut. You can go and create shortcuts. Text widget, custom text, which you can just add in your lock screen about clock. 3D touch, which you can customize. So yeah, you can just 3D touch on lock launcher, and then you will have this customization like that. So yeah, that's basically the idea, that you just. So for example, let me just show edit. All right. So then you just need to upgrade to pro version. But here's some guide in top right, how to use it, locklauncher.com. And this app is constant development, but I guess this is one of the most advanced apps regarding the circular widgets, lock screen widgets, like dynamic highland picture in picture. You won't find any other app like that where you can have this degree of customization in this more niche widgets, because there are like hundreds of apps where you can build your home screen widgets. But if you want to do some even more fun customization to your phone, this is right now one of the best apps. It's a bit more technical, so you need to spend some time in it to learn it, but then you're having fun. And then there is some news, whatever. So then there are settings, and then there are even more advanced settings: dark mode, language, and permission. You can just give all of these permissions, backup, um, remove web cache, reset all config. So yeah, you can just tap to reset all config in case you get lost in all these settings. What is that ring? So yeah, you can also enable that it rings every hour. So this is another cool feature. So this app is basically collection of really useful like app features. And then here you have monthly, just $1.49 per month, and then just $7 per year. So it's like a really cheap price. And lifetime purchase, $10 lifetime. Whoa! So originally it just said $30 for $10 per year. This is really good price. Yeah, this app doesn't provide you a collection of themes and app icons. Nope, it's not for that. It's just an app for different way of doing this. So this is an app for customization, yeah, of specific things, more detailed things in that. So yeah, that's the app. Super powerful app, I must say, and yeah, so pretty cool. And yeah, so there you have it, Lock Launcher. Go find it in the App Store. Lock Launcher screen widgets. It has a lot of ratings, a lot of reviews. 4.8 average rating. Some people have already suggestions. It would be nice if you could set individual wallpapers for each home widget group. Powerful but frustrating as well. So every time you add a new item to your list, you have to turn on dynamic island again. Almost perfect. So seems there are some bugs with their dynamic island feature, but overall people liking it. So yeah, try it out.